I'm John Devoy, the Operations Manager of the Mallock Cribs Causeway in Bristol, a regional shopping centre built back in 1998. We have 137 tenants of all different sizes and types. They all use water in one shape or another. As an operations manager, part of my responsibilities are managing the utilities. Meeting with Water to Business through Neil Mullins gave me a totally new insight into how we manage our water. The first issue was to reach our CSR objectives. Working with Water to Business, we were offered a full survey of all our tenants. That survey revealed, if I remember rightly, 115 leaks in the system. That was enormous. But because all these areas are behind the shops, they were missed over the years. Once the repairs had been completed, the reduction in the following month in water consumption was 15%. That was enormous. Very soon after the savings were showing in the consumption, Water to Business came to see me and suggested that we might be able to pay less for our sewage. And because of the amount of water we use, which is expelled into the sewage system, is actually of a high quality, the charges levied could be reduced. Within 3 months, it became very apparent that an annual saving of £10,000 was coming our way. Another great win. The challenge we had with the irrigation system was that we have a 2-mile perimeter irrigation pipe. Now, to test that for leaks was just not commercially viable. So Water to Business suggested using a Bowser. Very simple solution, but it worked. And there immediately we made 5% more saving. After achieving a 22% reduction in consumption of water in our first year working with Water to Business, rather than rest on our laurels, it actually energised the site to look at other ways of saving water. They took samples away, came back, and sure enough, our water going to sewage was of a much higher grade than normal sewage. As you can imagine, a shopping centre, a lot of people washing their hands, flushing relatively clean water away. Water to Business have enabled me to understand how I use my water. It's taught me much more about the fact that water isn't an infinite product, and it's up to us to educate our tenants on how they use their water. This can only help them, because they ultimately pay the service charge for the water, and ourselves and our reputation as a company. I'd say thank you to Water to Business.